teach you how to eat.
Hey guys, welcome back to Feed Your Brother. We're going to do a little bit of commentary tonight, and this is probably PG-13 or R-rated. Don't worry, we'll be seeing my naked body. You're safe there. But I will be talking about avocado on toast. So, I read this article, I had this idea about this episode about 4 months ago before I started all this stuff. I read this article in a food magazine that's for chefs and restaurant tours by a respected food writer. He had gone out to eat in LA, eating at a breakfast restaurant, and he ordered avocado on toast. Well, the menu said deconstructed avocado on toast, which means nobody's done shit. So they bring out a tray and a plate of a avocado cut in half, a bowl, spoon, different seasonings, and nothing else. This was $19. So I laughed, I commentated a few people about it at work and friends, and forgot about it. Been talking about avocado on toast, it's a big millennial thing. So I went out to eat breakfast the other morning, and lo and behold, fucking avocado and toast on the menu. Now I'm ordering a breakfast skillet with potatoes, peppers, onions, steak, 2 eggs, an English muffin for $10.95. They had avocado and toast. They actually made it for you for $8.95. $8.95 for a piece of fucking bread and an avocado. And I don't even think you got a whole avocado, you got a half an avocado. So this is really hilarious to me. I'm making millennial avocado and toast for you today. And I went a little bougie. I mean, my God, if you're gonna have something this fancy, we're gonna have brioche bread cut in half. I cooked up a little bacon before I started this. So it's got bacon fat in the pan. And I just rubbed the bacon fat in here. Get our brioche toasty, crispy. Shouldn't take long. And we're going to start with avocado. These are soft. I've had these for a little bit. I was planning on doing this a few days ago. Alright. We'll take our avocado, scoop it out of the husk, skin, shell. If it's a little brown or black, it's oxidation. Get over it. It's good to eat. Don't throw it away. It's not bad. If it was bad, it'd be oozing liquid. You'll definitely know. If you see brown avocado in a restaurant, all that is they just made it and it's been sitting around for a few minutes. I got some serrano peppers. I'm going to put those in there. I'm going to put a good pinch of black pepper. Try to refill on the salt. Lots of salt. Green veggies need salt. Remember that. And I got a little bit of minced garlic. Happened to go to Whole Foods. I had to take a package back to Amazon. So I dropped a little money on some expensive stuff like the brioche. Already getting toasted. Look at that. Okay. Probably spent more than I would have going to a regular grocery store. A little spoonful of minced garlic. And somebody mentioned they like the anything bagel topping. Well, it's minced garlic and minced onion mostly. Salt, pepper, and some sesame seeds. I didn't go, this is minced onion. These are both toasted. I was gonna get some, trying to find my black sesame seeds out of the cupboard. I did some stuff with those one day, and one of the kids saw them that was at a party, and they said, oh, they're little bugs. So I wanted to put some little bugs on this avocado and toast. So I just mashing this up together. Look at that. Nice big chunks. That's all the working of it I'm gonna do. We're gonna wait here. Right. Probably gonna do some video magic. Okay, we got our toast brioche ready, crispy on one side, soft and succulent on the other. We got our avocado ready to put on top. Really fucking simple. Alright. Avocado on toast. Should we use all that? Alright. And I got two a little crispier than normal pieces of cured black pepper bacon. That's tasty. And here you have it. Millennial avocado on fucking toast. Here we go. I think I've spent probably a total, maybe $2 on this. Maybe. Including the bacon, the avocado, the brioche, and all the spices. Probably not even that. I'd say $1.50. So there you have it. That ought to get with the bacon and deconstructed LA. $21? $25? You let me know. Have a great one. Remember to subscribe, like, ring the bell for the ding ding ding. It'll get you updates, send you emails. Please share with your friends, and we'll see you soon.
Let me teach you how to eat. It's a culinary treat. Let me teach you how to eat. Let me teach you how to bake. Let me teach you how to bake. How to grill a strip steak. Let me teach you how to bake.
So I figured it up. It's actually pretty fucking good. I think it's $25. Oh fuck yeah. Especially because I made it. $25. Really? Of course. Yeah, of course. It's pretty fucking good. I wouldn't pay $5 for this in a restaurant. Well, making it at home. Make those sliders. Pretty damn good. Alright, remember to feed your brother. And damn it, subscribe.